In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a drop-down list in Google Sheets. Drop-down lists are a simple way to keep your data clean and consistent, and they make it faster for anyone filling out your sheet to pick the correct option. Let's walk through the process from start to finish, and I'll point out a few helpful tips along the way. First, open Google Sheets and select the cell where you want your drop-down to appear. If you want the same list available in multiple places, go ahead and highlight a range, an entire column, or even non-adjacent cells by holding Control or Command while you click. Deciding this up front saves you from repeating the setup later. Next, head to the top menu and click Data. From the menu that opens, choose Data Validation. This is the control panel for rules that keep entries consistent. In the Data Validation pane or dialog, look for the Criteria section. Open the drop-down there and select List of Items. You'll see a field where you can type your choices. Enter your options separated by commas, like yes, no, maybe. You can include spaces after commas. Google Sheets will handle that just fine. Keep your capitalization consistent so your list looks tidy, and avoid trailing spaces that could lead to duplicate-looking items. If you ever change your mind about the order, you can come back later and rearrange the items here. When you're happy with the list, click Save to apply the drop-down. If you selected a range at the beginning, your rule applies to all of those cells in one go. You should now see a small arrow appear on the right side of each cell. To use the drop-down, click the arrow in a cell and choose an option from the list. You can also start typing. Sheets will suggest matches from your list, which makes data entry even faster. If you type something that isn't on the list, Sheets may warn you depending on the default validation setting, and you can simply pick a valid option to keep things consistent. A few quick tips before we wrap up. If you need this drop-down elsewhere, you can copy and paste the cell like normal, and the rule will carry over. To edit your items or remove the rule later, return to Data, then Data Validation, and make your changes. Finally, think ahead about the exact wording of your options so teammates know exactly what each choice means. And that's it. You've created a clean, reliable drop-down list in Google Sheets.